Hi, boys and girls. This is Ms. McLean, and today we're going to work on using a number line in math to help us count and understand numbers. So I have a number line here for you today that starts with the number 0 and ends at the number 10. So as you are beginning to count, you can use a number line to help you. And I've also chose a different kind of counter today. These are see-through. Excuse me. So you can look at them through and see what's underneath them. Right, so if I'm talking about the number 4, we want to know what these numbers mean to each other inside and out. So we want to know what is 1 less, 1 more, 2 less, so on and so forth. So let's talk about this number 4. We see that we have 4. Remember, we're doing one-to-one correspondence, which means I am counting, I am touching, and I can move my counters if I so choose. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we don't want to say what number comes next. We want to say, excuse me, what is 1 more? What is 1 more than 4? 5 is 1 more than 4. I want to check my work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I put 6 on my number line, I might ask, or might be asked, what is 1 less than 6? Well, I know I would take 1 away. 1 less than 6 is 5. When I use a number line, especially one like this that has the boxes, it gives me a good place to put my counter, but it also lets me see the number that I'm talking about. And I might just count my numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I might touch my counters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can also ask questions like, what is 2 more than 5? 2 more than 5 is 5, 6, 7. Is 7. Let's see if I'm correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. So I might ask, what is 2 less than 7? I might hop back 1, 2, and see that I have 5 left. If I say, what is 3 more than 5? I could count these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I could add 1, 2, 3, and see that I land on 8. I could also already know that my number that I'm starting from is 5 and add 3 more, 1, 2, 3, to get me to 8. What we ultimately want our students to do is to be able to count on from any given number. So maybe it's a higher number than 10. Maybe it's a lower number like 2. But you want to be able to ultimately count on from any given number. This can also work, this number line, if you are adding. So if we have our number line and I say there are 2 red dots on the paper, 3 green dots join them. How many dots are in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I could also use this for a subtraction problem. There are 4 red dots on the number line. 2 red dots hop off. How many dots are left? 2. So when you're using equations, and if you're just given the equation 2 plus 2, try your best to make it a story because it's easier to solve them if we have objects to help us with the numbers. So try to make up a story as you are counting. If you are just having trouble with the one-to-one, with the number recognition in general, have your child put numbers on the number line and even slide them over or on top of. These you can see through, so you could just slide them on top of, but if you can't see through your counter, that's okay. Put it below it or on top of it so that they are seeing the numbers, they're saying the numbers, but they're also seeing the number of objects that represent that number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can make a number line with as many numbers as you want or with whichever numbers that you want. So if you wanted to work on higher numbers, such as your teen numbers or so on and so forth, you could just make another number line that has those numbers on there. So this is how we use a number line, and I hope you find this helps. Have a great day.